Here we have the in-the-seat washing machine. To operate with it, make sure the wall switch is on. Then you can open the door, load the laundry inside, and close the door. Here you can load your pre-washing detergent, here the normal detergent, and here the softener. You can then choose your preferred program by rotating this knob and checking the program information here. You can check the time it will take here, and then you can change the temperature or the spin. Here the spin and here the temperature. Once you're done, you can press start or pause button and it will start. If you have any doubts, you can check the model number here and check online for the instructions manual. To turn it off, press the on and off button and then switch it off from the wall switch.